Have you ever curious about the glow of the Marfa lights dancing mysteriously in the Texas night? Or how a simple gust of wind can turn into a big storm? Welcome to Explain Everything, where we explore the mysteries of our world, making the complex become simple and the unknown become familiar. Hey everyone, welcome back to today's episode of Series Explained Everything. So, have you ever think about, can your mind heal your body? Believe it or not, it can. The placebo effect might just be one of the most fascinating phenomena in medicine. Imagine getting better from taking a sugar pill. It sounds like magic, but it's actually solid science backed by decades of research that demonstrates the incredible power of our minds to influence physical healing. Let's break down what's really happening when your mind becomes your personal pharmacy. The placebo effect occurs when you experience real physical improvements simply because you believe a treatment will work. We're talking about actual pain relief, reduced symptoms, and measurable changes in your body, all triggered by your expectations rather than any active medicine. This isn't just occasional or rare. Studies show that approximately 1/3 of people report significant improvement from placebo treatments. Think about the implications. In clinical studies, roughly 1 in 3 people report feeling better after taking dummy pills. That's not just wishful thinking, it's your brain acting as its own medicine maker. When you believe you're getting treatment, your body starts producing its own therapeutic chemicals. It's like having an internal pharmacy that opens for business whenever you expect relief. The more confident you are in the treatment, the stronger this effect can be. The science behind this is absolutely mind-blowing. When you take what you think is a painkiller, your brain doesn't just sit there hoping. It springs into action, releasing endorphins, your body's natural painkillers. Your expectation literally triggers a cascade of biological responses. Your brain can dial down stress hormones, boost your immune system, and even improve your blood pressure, all because you believe something good is about to happen. These aren't subtle changes either. Researchers can measure significant differences in brain chemistry and bodily functions. Here's where it gets really wild. Let's talk about some real-world examples that will make your jaw drop. Remember that knee surgery study? Doctors compared real arthroscopic surgery with a fake procedure, where they just made a small cut and pretended to operate. The shocking result? Both groups of patients showed similar improvements. The people who only thought they had surgery experienced real pain relief and better mobility, matching those who had the actual procedure. This wasn't just a brief effect either. The improvements lasted for months after the procedures. Even more fascinating? Sometimes placebos work even when patients know they're taking sugar pills. It's like your body saying, "Hey, I know this isn't real medicine, but I'm going to help you feel better anyway." That's how powerful our minds can be in influencing our physical well-being. These open-label placebo studies have shown remarkable results across various conditions, from chronic pain to depression. This isn't just about tricking yourself. It's about understanding and harnessing your mind's natural healing abilities. Think about those times when you felt instantly better after taking your favorite cold remedy, even before it had time to work. Or how wearing your lucky socks somehow helped you nail that presentation. These aren't coincidences. They're examples of your mind and body working together to create real effects. The placebo effect shows us that these aren't just psychological comfort. They're creating measurable physical changes. The flip side of this is equally powerful. It's called the nocebo effect. That's when negative expectations lead to negative outcomes. Ever noticed how thinking something will make you sick sometimes actually makes you feel ill? That's your mind, working in reverse, showing just how significant our beliefs can be in shaping our physical experiences. This demonstrates why maintaining positive expectations is so important for our overall health and well-being. Here's a practical challenge to help you harness this power. Try using this knowledge to your advantage. Next time you're feeling tired during that afternoon slump, try drinking water while firmly believing it's an energy-boosting elixir. Or when you have a mild headache, visualize a soothing, healing light while truly believing in its power to ease your pain. It might sound simple, but remember, your belief can trigger real physiological changes. Make it a conscious experiment and notice how your body responds. The implications of the placebo effect go way beyond medicine. It suggests that our mindset and expectations play a crucial role in our overall well-being. When you approach challenges with confidence and positive expectations, you're not just being optimistic, you're actually setting up your body for success. This applies to everything from athletic performance to stress management to healing from illness. Consider how this knowledge could transform your daily life. Every time you face a challenge, your beliefs about the outcome could influence your body's response. If you believe you'll handle stress well, your body might actually produce fewer stress hormones. If you expect to recover quickly from a workout, your muscles might actually repair more efficiently. The power of expectation creates a feedback loop between mind and body. This doesn't mean you should throw away your prescriptions or skip medical treatment. Real medicine is crucial, but understanding the placebo effect shows us that combining proper treatment with positive belief can enhance our healing potential. It's like having an extra tool in your wellness toolkit, one that's always available and completely free. The key is learning to use both conventional medicine and the power of positive expectation together. The takeaway here is empowering. Your mind has real measurable effects on your physical health. Every time you expect a positive outcome, you're potentially triggering beneficial changes in your body. Whether you're dealing with stress, pain, or just daily challenges, your beliefs and expectations can be powerful allies in feeling better. This isn't just positive thinking, it's a scientifically validated phenomenon that you can actively use to improve your life. So next time you're facing a challenge, remember this: your mind isn't just along for the ride, it's actively shaping your experience. By cultivating positive expectations and believing in good outcomes, you're not just thinking happy thoughts. You're potentially activating your body's natural healing abilities. That's not just positive thinking. It's science-backed personal empowerment that you can put to work every single day. Alright, that's a wrap for today's episode. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on more tips to improve your English. And hey, if you want to take your learning to the next level, check out the books I've linked in the description. These are some of the best resources to boost your vocabulary, grammar, and confidence in English. Blast off!